Wonder. Wonder.
Come on. Come on, Ruskin. Test.
Bay and inland waters light chop. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Friday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Bay and inland waters choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Friday night, northwest winds around 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Bay and inland waters choppy. Saturday, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Bay and inland waters choppy. Saturday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northeast 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Bay and inland waters choppy. Sunday, northeast wind 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet.
Here we go! Here it is, guys! Here it is. Here we go! Here it is! Here it is! Yes! Are you freaking kidding me?
The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm system for transmitters in the Port Elizabeth area, originating from Western Florida. This was also a test of the SAME system, or Specific Area Messaging Code. The SAME system will alert only the town or counties affected.
Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god!
Severe weather threats.
Oh wait, the 262 did not have a test beat.
We now
Alert.
return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the KHB32 listening area for the following
his
marine
man.
location. Coastal waters
Woohoo!
from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 2:55 p.m. This afternoon, southeast winds around 5 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Tonight, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Thursday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Then around 2 feet in the afternoon. Thursday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
Holy frick.
Friday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5
Holy
feet,
frick.
building to 5 to 6 feet in the afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the
Frick his, man.
Friday night, northwest winds
Woohoo!
25 feet. Saturday.
I'm gonna actually kill someone right now.
Yes!
My phone ran out of storage.
Ruskin! Thank you for not freaking filming!